Are you looking for a work from home opportunity where you can contribute to artificial intelligence projects using only your phone and computer as well? In this video, I will introduce you to the platform, and we will also take a look at two job opportunities currently available on their job page. This job doesn't require any experience and no difficult qualifications needed. I will also show you what the work involves, the job compensation, and some important things you should know before applying. So let's get started. The website that I am referring to is called micro1. So what is micro1? Micro1 is an AI-focused platform that connects people with projects involving AI training, evaluation, and data. According to the information shown on the job listing, Micro1 works with human contributors to create and review data that can help improve AI systems. Their official materials describe work involving AI training data, evaluations, and human feedback. So the basic idea is simple. People provide human-generated data or help review and label data, and that information can be used in the development and improvement of AI systems. Let's start with the first job opportunity, the AI facial data collection contributor. This job pay range from $139 to $140 per hour. However, there's something very important to understand here. The job description also says that this is a one-time project, meaning this should not automatically be interpreted as earning $140 every hour on an ongoing basis. The listing describes it as a remote AI data collection project. According to the listing, the task involves submitting approximately 30 high quality and unedited selfies and 10 video recordings of yourself covering material from the past 5 years. The listing also says that the photos and videos are intended only to be used as AI training data, so your face and identity are 100% safe. You may also need to remove filters or edits from the images and videos before submitting. Always remember, your photos should be raw and authentic before you submit. So, this is not a traditional job where you are sitting at a computer for 8 hours. It's more like a specific data collection project with a defined set of deliverables. The compensation section shows in the listing says that you receive a one-time payment after submitting the required amount of selfies and videos. That's why I recommend paying close attention to the actual project terms, instead of assuming that the advertised hourly figure means you will receive that amount for every hour you spend. Before submitting anything, always check the exact payment amount, payment method, eligibility requirements, submission requirements, data usage terms, and when payment is expected. There's also an important privacy consideration with this particular opportunity. You're not simply uploading random pictures. You're potentially providing facial images and videos of yourself for AI-related data collection. That means you should carefully read the project's privacy policy, consent terms, data usage information, retention period, and any rights you may be granting before submitting your files. If you're uncomfortable with your facial data being used for AI training or related purposes, don't submit it simply because the advertised compensation looks attractive. Always understand what you're agreeing to first. Now, let's look at another job available. This one is called Data Annotator. This job pays around $6 to $8 per hour. This is very different from the previous job I already shared recently. Instead of submitting your own selfies and videos, this work involves only helping label, review, and organize data. According to the listing, some of the responsibilities include annotating and labeling audio and video content according to project-specific guidelines. You also need to review existing annotations, identify and correct errors, flag ambiguous informations, document annotation decisions, communicate with project leaders and other contributors, and meet project deadlines while maintaining accuracy. In simple terms, you are helping turn raw data into structured information that AI systems can learn from. The requirements shown for this position include things such as attention to detail and the ability to follow detailed instructions. So, if you're someone who is patient, careful, and comfortable working with repetitive tasks while maintaining accuracy, this type of work is perfect for you. So, let's quickly compare the two opportunities. For AI facial data contributor, you're primarily providing your own selfies and videos. This job pays an amount of $139 to $140 per hour, but this project is described as a one-time payment project, so don't assume this is a permanent hourly income. For data annotator, you're working with provided data and only perform tasks such as labeling, reviewing, and correcting information. This job pays an amount of $6 to $8 per hour compared to AI facial data contributor. So these two jobs are completely different types of AI related work. If you want to check these opportunities, I will put the application links in the description box of this video of some of the available jobs you can apply here on micro1 platform. Look at the specific position you are interested in and carefully read the complete job description. Then click the Apply button. Depending on the project, you may be asked to create an account, completing your profile, complete screening questions, or submit materials required by the project. Before applying to any work from home opportunity, I recommend checking these 5 things. Number 1. Make sure you are using the legitimate website and not a fake copy. Number 2. Never pay someone just to get hired. Number 3. Carefully read the payment terms. Number 4. For projects involving selfies, video recordings, or other personal information, read the privacy and consent terms carefully. And lastly, never send sensitive information through the unofficial social media account or suspicious link. And before we end, here's an important disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. The job descriptions, compensation figures, requirements, availability, and eligibility shown in this video are based on the listings available at the time this video was created and may change at any time. Always conduct your own research and make your own decision before submitting your personal information or performing any online work. And that's it for today's work from home opportunity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell for more legitimate work from home opportunities online jobs, and earning platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, everyone.